Vista Equity Partners and Blackstone are reportedly in discussions to acquire Smartsheet, a prominent US-based workplace collaboration software company. According to sources familiar with the situation, the deal is valued in the multi-billion-dollar range, with Smartsheet's current market value estimated at around $7 billion. These talks, as reported by Reuters, are confidential, and the insiders have requested anonymity. If negotiations proceed smoothly, a deal could be finalized within weeks. However, the specific terms of the potential agreement remain undisclosed, leaving room for speculation and anticipation in the market. Founded in 2005 by Brent Frey, Eric Brown, John Creason, and Maria Colacurcio, Smartsheet has established itself as a leader in the workplace collaboration software sector. The platform enables organizations to manage, track, and automate workflows, offering more advanced features than traditional tools like Microsoft Excel. Smartsheet primarily serves large corporate clients with complex operations, including industry giants such as Pfizer, Cisco, and American Airlines. Impressively, 85% of the Fortune 500 companies are part of its customer base. Smartsheet's innovative solutions have positioned it as a critical player in the technology landscape. The potential acquisition by Vista and Blackstone comes at a time when private equity firms are increasingly active in the deal-making space. The discussions are part of a broader trend of private equity interest in technology and services sectors. While the exact terms of the deal have not been disclosed, the sources indicate that a deal could be signed soon if the talks do not fall apart. Vista Equity Partners already owns a 4.7% stake in Smartsheet, which could influence the negotiations. Both Smartsheet and the involved private equity firms have declined to comment on the ongoing discussions. Following the news of the potential acquisition, Smartsheet's shares experienced a significant surge, rising nearly 10% on Thursday. This increase in share value prompted a brief halt in trading, reflecting the market's positive response to the acquisition talks. The potential deal has generated considerable interest among investors, highlighting the strategic importance of Smartsheet's offerings in the current business environment. The market's reaction underscores the confidence in Smartsheet's growth prospects and the value that Vista and Blackstone see in the company's future. The potential acquisition of Smartsheet by Vista and Blackstone is part of a larger trend in the private equity sector. After a slowdown in 2023 due to high interest rates, private equity activity has picked up, driven by expectations of future interest rate cuts. This resurgence is particularly evident in the technology and services sectors, where deal volumes have increased significantly. In the first half of the year, private equity transactions rose approximately 41%, largely due to several take-private deals. This context provides a backdrop for the interest in Smartsheet and similar companies. Smartsheet has made several strategic moves to enhance its capabilities and expand its market presence. In March 2018, the company filed for an initial public offering, marking a significant milestone in its growth journey. Prior to this, Smartsheet acquired Converse AI, a Scotland-based company specializing in business automation bots. In 2019, Smartsheet further expanded its offerings by acquiring TurnPro, the company behind the collaboration tool Slope. This acquisition allowed Smartsheet to offer advanced content production solutions, enabling users to review, proof, and comment on content directly within the application. These strategic moves have solidified Smartsheet's position as a leader in the collaboration software space.